Hello guys, there we have a OPPO A16s, and today I will show you how you can send and receive fax messages on this device. So we have to start from the downloading a fax app. You will find a lot of it in the Google Store. I choose that one, but of course you can choose the other. So we have to open it now and add permissions. Now in the send fax mode, just click plus and choose the source of your document. I will choose something from my gallery. We have to allow again. Sorry for that. I will try again and just choose the photo that you want to send. Now you can add a shape of it, and if you are ready, click here. There is a place where you can choose the filter for your document, add a signature by this icon or a text by this icon. You can clear everything by this. If you are ready, click here. Now to add other documents, just click plus again and do the same. If you want to send it, just type the number here, and optionally you can add a small note. If you are ready, click here to send it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment. Remember to visit your channel, and goodbye.